Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that everyone is doing well. Today, we're going to be taking our notes via this video. As we're taking notes, you should be writing them down in your regular algebra notebook. When we're done with notes, you're going to go ahead and upload a copy of your notes, a picture, for me to grade, into the Google Doc where you got the link to this video and had your instruction. Today, for our notes, we're going to be going from a graph to an inequality. So these are the steps to go ahead and solve this. So here's our inequality graph that we're looking at. And as you can tell, we need to first find the boundary line, the equation of that, which is our typical line y equals mx plus b. So in order to find our slope, we want to go ahead and pick any two good points. So we're going to go ahead and choose these 2 points. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the rise between the 2 points and the run between the 2 points. As you can see, we have a rise of 6 and we have a run of 3. So we're going to go ahead and set this as a slope, rise over run, so 6 divided by 3. So we have a slope of 2. Now we're going to go ahead and find the y-intercept. We know the y-intercept is the point that crosses the y-axis. So as you can see through the red dot, we know that we have a y-intercept of 6. Now we're ready to put it into our normal equation format because we know both our slope and our y-intercept. So we're going to go ahead and write it down as y is something 2x plus 6. Now all we have to do is figure out which inequality we want to put in the place where we normally put our equal sign. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at which side of the boundary line is shaded. If it's shaded above the line, we're going to insert a greater than symbol. If it is shaded below the line, we're going to put a less than symbol. As you can see from this one, we're looking at below the line. So we're going to go ahead and insert our less than symbol. Now, we need to pay really close attention to the line itself. If it is a dashed line, we're going to leave the symbol as is. However, if it is a solid line, we're going to add an equal sign underneath our inequality. In this case, it's dashed, so we can go ahead and leave it as is, and we have our inequality. Y is less than 2x plus 6. Now, as always, we want to double check our work, and we're going to do that by plugging in the point 0, 0, 0 for x, and 0 for y. When we do this, we can see that 0 is less than 6. Once we get to this point, we ask ourselves, is this a true statement? Is 0 less than 6? Of course, 0 is less than 6. Therefore, we know that the point 0, 0 is a part of the solution and should be shaded. As we look at our graph, we can see that yes, it is indeed shaded. Now, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to pause, rewind, take a look at the uploaded picture of the notes that I've given you, and make sure that you take the time to write down your notes. And your next step is going to be to go to the Desmos link for 931932, and you're going to go ahead and continue the activity that we started on Friday. When you're done with that, you're also going to upload a picture of your classwork, including all of those graphs and shaded. Finally, to finish off today's activities, you're going to go ahead and finish the Khan Academy that corresponds with going from graph to inequalities. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you're having a good time.